Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Glamour Has No Age. If you're new here, my name is Michelle. I hope everyone's doing fine. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. That helps me be seen by other people. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I post. I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Usually by 9 p.m., but it may be earlier than that. I haven't figured that part out yet. I'm trying to see. Right now I have time to book it to post at 12 a.m. But when I get busy in my job, I'm not going to be able to have time. So, you know what? I'm going to leave it at 9. Well, anyways, today is Flashback Monday. I have Natasha Denona's Bronze palette. Remember when this was all the rage? So I figured we'd do a look today with it. I'm going to use my fluffy crease brush. I'm going to go into Beach, which is right here, and put that in my crease. Then I'm going to use this brush. Look at this brush. I got this brush from Whoosh. It's got kind of like an odd angle so you can do a V shape with it. I'm going to go into Magma, which is right here, and put that in my outer V. It left the marks. I don't know how to use that thing. Well, anyways, I'm going to take a small Angie Hot and Flashy A502 from BK Beauty. I'm going to go back into that Magma. I quite like that. It gave me an outline. Gave me a decent outline. I'm going to use this brush from Angie, Hot and Flashy. I'm going to go back into Beach. And soften it up. All right. That is softened up. I'm gonna take the Angie A505 and I'm going to go into palladium. Which one are you? You're right here. And put that all over the lid. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna put on some mascara. Then I'm gonna use the bronze cheek palette. I have that right here. A lot of people didn't like this. I didn't seem to mind it. That's not bad. I have powder foundation on, and it went over good over the powder. As usual, I have too much on, but I like to put a lot on. What can I say? And I'm gonna take this is Sephora's Pro Contour Highlight Brush. I'm gonna go into this Super Glow Nude, which is right here. Let's find a bronzy lip, which I'm sure I have from someone. Let's see. I have this old MAC from when this bronze palette came out with Natasha Denona. It's called a La Page. It's a pretty lipstick. It looks like that. And it looks like that. Well, new video format. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Please hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I hope to see you in my next flashback. See you next time. Bye.